This Maeve cloud above me is wisteria. When it blooms, it looks absolutely stunning, attracts pollinators like a magnet, and is very fragrant. You can sense the sweet honey-like aroma meters away, and it will fill your whole garden. But do you really want wisteria in your garden? Is the beautiful bloom of this vine enough to make you plant one? If you have watched some of our series must-have shrubs for your garden, you already know that we are great admirers of shrub varieties that blossom prettily and are beneficial for pollinators. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, why don't you do it now? Because we will tell you why you should be careful when deciding about wisteria. We have 4 wisterias in our garden, all planted before we bought our house. The first time our wisterias blossomed, we were like, wow, amazing! But then we found they have another side. They are woody climbing vines, often referred to as climbing shrubs. They can also be grown as trees, like this one here. Wisteria grows vigorously, up to 10 feet per year. And as it needs support to grow, it attaches and climbs on everything it can reach, other trees, fences, and terraces. It is quite invasive and has the tendency to monopolize the garden, quickly overgrowing other shrubs and plants, using twining stems to climb up. They already started growing. Only serious pruning can keep wisteria in control. It is best pruned twice a year, in July, August, and January, February, but it might not be enough as its height can reach more than 10 meters or 30 feet. We spent many hours pruning our 4 plants, and now we have taken the decision to cut their number to just 2, as they take too much of our time to keep them in shape. The trouble is that even if we cut them down, they will keep growing, so we have to remove the roots too. Removing roots of a vine is a really hard job. Another downside of wisteria is that all parts of the plant are toxic to both humans and pets. They contain toxins known as lectin and mysterin, and the highest concentrations are found in the seeds and pods. You should have that in mind if you decide to plant one in your garden and have kids or pets. Poisoning with wisteria can lead to serious complications in humans and pets. It can be really dangerous. If you still decide to have wisteria in your garden, you can start it from seeds or from cuttings. Grafted varieties typically bloom within 3 years, while those started from seeds may take up to 10 years to bloom. Wisterias flower best in full sun, south or west facing space. They need at least 6-8 hours of sun daily and prefer moist and well-drained soil. They can tolerate clay or sandy soil but have to be watered regularly, especially in the first year and summer. For fertilizer, you should use low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer to encourage blooms. The pea-like flowers of wisteria bloom in spectacular long clusters called raceme, resembling hanging bunches of grapes. Flowers typically appear in late spring or early summer. Wisteria blossoms in different shades: pale lilac, purple, pink, red violet, mauve, or even white, depending on the species. Be aware that the strong purple violet wisteria, called amethyst or amethyst falls, is a really smelly variety, with unpleasant musky scent that some gardeners describe as cat pee smell. People think that this sun-loving vine can be a perfect colorful addition for their gazebos, porches, or fences. And yes, all color varieties of wisteria look absolutely spectacular in bloom. But before buying one, you should consider their toxicity and invasive growing nature that requires lots of maintenance. We will leave this decision to you. When these beautiful flowers start to fall, you need to take the leaf blower or broom and clean, cause they make lots of mess. Have that in mind too. We hope you find this video useful when you decide if you want wisteria in your garden. Please subscribe to our channel. We will really appreciate if you support our video content. This will mean a lot to us.